of ride sharing through day trading. Woo! We watched the green line cross over the yellow line, and I make some money. Let's get this.
Let's get it, brother. Let's get it, brother. Let's get it, brother. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, says since you are better at news, why don't you tell us what's going on in the news today?
No, there's no real news. It's no real news. It might be a melt up today in the market. I took a couple of lotto play. Man, I've been doing that, Eddie, bro. I've been doing these goddamn lotto plays, and I know better, but I've been doing them anyway. I don't know why, but I got to stop that shit. And
Well,
so,
don't you use?
yeah, I mean, I'm
I'm choking
using.
in my own coffee.
Oh well, that's because I mean, I don't mind taking risk because my risk versus reward is usually pretty good. But look for a melt up this morning. I'm probably going to take a couple of contracts right off the rip on the triple Qs to the upside. They're cheap enough. Again, the reward is there. We just got to see what the price is on these opening contracts. I did take a move yesterday on AMC. I guess I should bring that up, huh? I did take a move on AMC. I don't know if you guys heard the news or not, but like AMC all of a sudden in the afternoon had a false story that came out. Here it is. I'll
Pump,
show AMC
pump.
real quick. Let me show this before the goddamn market opens. So we can see here we had a false a right this point right about 465 said that AMC was going to be bought out by Amazon. Turns out that was an old ass story, and there is a real estate company that regurgitated the story because they would benefit tremendously if AMC were bought out. They were the rental property or the property managers for where these AMC theaters are at. Turns out that the only way Amazon would not deny or confirm the story, but then it eventually came out the only way that they would buy AMC is if they were in a completely distressed situation because big bank Amazon could buy out little bank AMC for pennies on the dollar and gobble up all that real estate. I've seen this trick before. This happened in the bowling industry. When Bolero started buying out AMC, they were buying all these distressed properties, and they went ahead and they took the bad businesses and threw them to the wolves. So there we go. That's that. Eddie, go ahead, slide your chart up. As you can see now, my AMC contracts dropped down a whole lot. But we're not going to worry about
market is up. Hold on, I'm gonna put SPY up. So, all right. So I have my SPY up, and I'm looking at these resistance levels of 399.40, which is already passed, and then I have another one at 402.49, which was a couple of days ago. But all right, 15 to 30 minute. Let me fix my rules. Rules number one: 15, 30 minute wait, at least 15. Okay. Okay, let's do this. But we have a let me see today news. It's 9:30 your time. There are 10 a.m. news. So home sales.
Yep.
All right, and Barr testifies again on the banks. So I might wait until those news. I don't care what he says. I just want to see what the market does after he speaks. Then I'll go ahead and then take my trade on that. And I only might have, because I did a big boo-boo yesterday, so I only might have just be able to do just one trade.
Mistakes are always going to be made trading the markets, bro. Always going to be made. It's your risk tolerance. If you can see where the market is going, if you got an idea where the market's going, you can make some good trades. But, we're going to make bad trades too, dude. I mean, it's going to happen, bro. It's going to happen. So right now, I like what I'm seeing out of the Qs. NASDAQ is way up this morning. So let's see what happens. I'm taking a melt up. Probably jumped too early on these contracts, but you know what? That's life. That is life. That's the way we make shit happen,
So you're in, and how much were your contracts?
Too much.
And this was on AMC, right?
What?
Or were your contracts in?
Hold on a minute. Ah, damn, boy, those things got burnt bad. I need to get out of these right now. Hold on. Fuck, those are burnt. Those are no good. My AMC contracts, I'm in at 9 cents. Those are for this Friday. Right now, I jumped in 3 Qs right off the rip. I'm watching Q move to the upside. I just have to keep an eye on it.
Whoa, Q is moving to the upside.
Yeah, I expect to melt up at least till 10 a.m. But we got to see. We got to see. I don't want to get trapped in these damn things. AMC, I'm not sweating so much because that's a Friday contract. So I can keep an eye on that.
Let's see what happens. By the way, I need to take away my extended. It looks like I figured out watching a video that if I take away my extended, my my VWAP works better.
Okay.
Because if I open up my extended, it's gonna calculate the extended into the VWAP.
Okay. What the hell? Spy is frozen. Why is my spy frozen?
Oh, my SPY is definitely not frozen. Looks like it's doing a bounce right off the 21 EMA right now.
Everybody's gonna now. You got to be careful with this morning because if there's gonna be bad news on the VIX, I mean on home sales, you know what I mean? They're gonna let you
Uh-huh.
know. You'll know it. You'll know it right off the rip. So I'm up 15% on these contracts right now, which is not the money. I bought 3 contracts at 16 cents. Right now they're trading at 18, 19 cents. I can see the Qs getting up to about 12 if they get that high, if they keep going that way. AMC, I need AMC to go ahead and flush below $5. Spy
See,
is
I'm doing a West right now, where on my Tesla, see the downtrend. It hit the line, and then it came back down, hit the line, then it came back down on the 30-minute, and now it's heading right up there. And I want to see what happens once it touches that line.
okay.
Now I will paper trade this one. If this one works out, I will. Can I paper trade?
How many of these I got? Let me go ahead and get those out of there. Let me go ahead and save my ass right here.
I'm gonna go into my 2-minute. Okay, all my lines are still there. I'm gonna go to my watch list. Okay, I have no Tesla options set up. I need a better chart. Hold on. So I have my live paper trading and my paper trading right here. So I think I need a better one. This one.
What's going on, everybody? Wes, Vinny, I don't know. We had some strong resistances. I'm looking for potential puts. We have pre-market pumps too. I agree, brother. I agree, but looking at futures, looking at market sentiment, looking at the news today, the only thing going on today is you got home sales at 10 a.m. So with all the pumping in the pre-market, kind of figure we're going to get an opening range bound. That's what I'm in. That's why I took these contracts. And then I can work with these other contracts that I'm upside down in. Like I said, the AMC, I'm not sweating it. Short term, you might see some pumps. I think today we have a melt up. I really do think today's going to be a melt up. At least until like 950. So I got to make decisions at that point. Good morning, Patty. What's going on? Tesla launched pre-market up $5 per share. That's what I mean. You know, these guys on Capitol Hill keep hollering, "Oh, everything's good. It's all good. It's all good. Banks are solid." So the market's going to run with that until we get punched in the face. That's what I
Yeah.
see.
There it is. There it is. It's up to my level. Let me see some Tesla options 2 days out.
I want to show these guys. I don't think I've ever shown them. I want you guys to see. Now the camera's shitty, so don't get mad at me. But these are my trading computers right here. You can see over here. I got SPY up here, Qs, AMC, the 10 and 20-year T-bonds, NVIDIA, Tesla, Dixie, and the VIX. Just figured I'd show you guys that. That's how clean that is over there. I loves it, man. Eddie ain't the only one got fancy computers, you know.
Yeah, but now it's to the point where I think I have too many screens.
It could be. You might have too many screens, bro.
Let me see. 30 minutes. It's my zone. It's out of it. I need to mark this one. Definitely. Oh, this is such a pain. Right there. 197.39 or 197.40.
Everything is green this morning, bro. Everything.
Do I have another one? Another point of resistance?
A little bit of resistance here on the Qs right now. A little bit of
Here we
resistance,
go.
not
So
much.
here is one. It's right above it. I'm gonna mark this one right here.
I'm hedged in pretty good though. I should take whatever I can get out of here, out of the. What's my AMC contracts doing? CK contracts are down a couple bucks. No big deal there. I'm not sweating AMC. I am not sweating AMC.
Nice. These are points where it could turn around on, and look at that. It's wicking right at my line. Oh.
Morning, Richie. Tesla Q1 production and delivery numbers are better than Q4. You guys got a mission control level of scrutiny on there. Yeah, a
No,
little
this is definitely gonna be a this is a paper trade right now.
Did you guys hear that, Phil?
I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna put my Tesla options. Here is my put. Where am I? I am in the. Let me go back to my 2-minute. Let me see which one's better. 2-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute. Let's do a 3-minute. Or 2. Okay, now I'm gonna definitely try this out.
Everybody's going to wait on this 10 a.m., bro. 10 a.m. is going to tell the story. So you kind of hedge yourself in where you feel like you can get in, and you call it a day. It really is about presetting yourself up for the news today, I believe. Wes is right. Be careful with Tesla hitting downtrend line right now, too.
This is paper trading. Now I'm practicing, so
Yeah, well, it broke above the trend line, the downtrend line. It's up in that zone, Eddie. Remember that zone I told you about?
yep, I have it marked.
Okay, it's in that zone on my other chart, on my big chart over here. It's in the middle of that first zone to the upside. And now I'm about to hedge in to to something over here on the Qs. I like the Qs getting to 312 today. We'll see if I'm right. Once I hit 312, I can start selling out some of these contracts I got. Everything is hedging, bro. Living on the edge. I went to the danger zone. That dollar starts coming down. Look for your stocks to start moving up. The dollar comes down, the market goes up. Y'all remember that. I went to the danger zone.
Come
Um,
on, Reggie. I'm waiting to see it. All I have here is the one that
Trying
I'm
to get
that I'm
aggressive,
looking at. This is
bro.
Tesla, but you guys can see. Tesla is the one I see. You guys see. Spies right here.
See, I got the Qs in this zone here, supply demand zone, pushing towards the top of that zone. It's already flashed over it. I need it to go ahead and break that zone. Once it breaks that zone, we are off to the races, brother.
Let me put up trader view because for some reason I want to make sure that my VWAP is not let me see. Oh yeah, definitely not lining up.
Oh, big flush candle there.
Oh yeah,
All the way back to the trend line. That flew all the way down to the trend line.
could it be reversing right here?
Could be.
At least on Tesla.
Yep, it could. So now I'm really hedged in. Here we go. Red candle to the bottom now. So I hedged in on the 302 Qs. I brought those two down from 20 to 5 down at 11. So let's see what happens. I'm hedged in now on the Qs. Okay, I'm comfortable there. Very, very comfortable right there. So now it's doing the DOM. Doing the DOM. Commuter means they show a hard pump to get the newbie traders. Oh,
Maybe, yeah.
I think they are trapping bulls. Yeah, it could be a bull trap. 100%. It could be, Wes. You ain't lying. See, I got Eddie. One of us has got to keep up with these damn comments, bruh.
I'm trying to. What I'm looking is damn market is moving fast.
That's all right. I got you. I got you.
But
I'm hedged in where
but I,
I'm hedged in where I wanted to be hedged in, so I'm fine. Yes,
I'm in my
could be a
Tesla
bull
puts
trap.
right now, getting ready to sell.
All right, so bull trap. Yeah, Wes, you're not wrong. In the big overall market, you're right. Absolute bull trap going on, bro. Because nothing's stable in the economy. But in the short term, the bulls got the horn, at least till 10 a.m. And then but then after 10 a.m., if that news comes in bad, yeah. Yeah, that's why I took this trade off the rip. I'm trying to get as much as I can out of this trade. And that's why I hedged in and DCA down on my 302 puts for the Qs. I only need those Qs to get to like, well, if it gets to 12, I'm in profit on those five. So it's all about profit, 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 profit. Let's see. Wes, yeah, I'm saying I might be commuter asked what. Oh, no. I
Oh
get you.
yeah,
Dang, no love lost when it's trading time. Nah, bro. Listen, I got you, Patty. Eddie over there, he'll blame me. You know he down low blame me, right? He down low blame me for ignoring the chat because he's paper trading and needs to focus. So the sidekick bitch duties fall onto me. See this guy? You see this
because
guy?
he's
I
used
love
to
it,
it. He's used to it. He does it all the time.
bro. Down low,
I
I'm
got
the
two
bitch on the
here
side.
and
I'm
one
his
here.
side bitch. I got to clean his dirty ass dishes in the kitchen. I get it. I get it. I get it.
There ain't no dishes in the kitchen.
I get it. I
At
gotta
least
be the
not
side bitch.
dirty.
I gotta be the side bitch. It's okay, bro. It's okay. It's okay. But
But
now when I
it's
call on
okay.
Nitty to let's go, motherfucker, let's go. Oh, another little red candle. Contracts are
Mm-hmm.
so sensitive today, bro. Oh my god, they're so sensitive. I need that dollar to keep dropping.
Where?
9:50, 10 minutes, bro. 10 minutes.
Let's see.
Eddie, how come you don't have any music playing, bro? Like, what are we doing here, dude?
I got a strike last time. Remember? Well,
Yeah,
I
but
remember.
Spotify's got the low key music going, man. You can do Spotify, bro. Oh my god. Here we go.
Oh yeah, you gotta send me that channel for Spotify. I didn't know that there was such a thing.
Uh Yeah, but Rich, don't do what I do, bro. Don't do what I do. Richie, don't listen. This channel is for educational purposes only. Entertainment rather, purposes only. This is not financial advice. Do not do what I do.
Oh,
My
definitely
302
not.
put my 302 puts I took yesterday were a lotto play. So far the lotto ain't hitting. So don't do it. Don't do it. Richie text me. So I
Don't
had
do
to.
it. Don't
Don't do
do
it.
it. Buenos dias there, Carlos.
I'm doing a lot of tell him, Eddie. I'm
That's
I'm playing with a lot of risk. A lot of risk.
that's right. We're using our ride sharing money.
Way
Well, actually, well, are you using your ride sharing money for this? I don't use my ride share money. I'm using everybody else's money for this.
there you go. No, I mean this is that $250 account. I've been lottoing off. I've been dunking off, as we used to say when I used to play cards. I've been dunking off money left and right, like really bad, like really bad. Like, and I don't know why. I don't know.
I'm
Getting back into the live trading stuff. It's it's real money though, but I can't dunk off any more money.
gonna wait.
Or else
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
get
blow
out
this
of.
little $250 account up, and I don't like doing that. See, I like trading with like $1,000 account because I can make bigger, stronger moves. But on the smaller accounts, you like this, you're generally a lot more. You'll take a lot more risk to get. Come on, get above that. That's right, Qs. Remember, I called the Qs to 312 today. The problem
I
is,
got out of my options on
damn it, I
Tesla.
was talking, Eddie.
Sorry. Sorry. Oh, but I got some sound effects too. No, my sound effects is not working.
I'm not saying anything else the rest of the show.
I don't like the idea that my sound effects are not up. This is
I'm
so
not.
unfair.
I'm not. I'm not saying anything else the rest of the day. I'm turning my microphone off.
You're doing the quiet zone? You're putting yourself in timeout? Damn it. It's not working. President Joe Biden ascended the podium on the. Oh, did he fall? And oh yeah, and choke about. Copyright strike.
Not for me. All right, I'm not liking that. I am not liking what I'm seeing there now. Here comes the 10 o'clock pre 10 o'clock dump. See, it's hard for me to dump these little contracts right here on the 314 calls because everything's staying in the zone and it's riding this trend line up that I've got from the lower pre-market. Now it looks like it's going to drop out of there. So let me take two of these contracts off the table. I want to get rid of two of these contracts.
And I've had the time of my life, and I've never traded like this before.
All right. So we're going to leave that alone for the minute. I almost got faked out there, bro. Wes, they almost got me, bro. Carlos, Carlito, buenos dias.
Carlitos way.
Buenos dias, brother.
Do you got a little friend?
You ever notice Al Pacino, the Italian, has played more Spanish characters than Italian characters? But his Italian character was the biggest character of his career.
Scarface.
Scarface was a Cuban bro. Carlito was a Cuban bro.
And not only that,
But
the
Michael
thing that
Corleone
had
was an Italian.
in the movie, I mean, I noticed, but he had a thing for his sister.
In which movie? In Scarface?
In Scarface.
Bro, she was gorgeous, dude. What are you talking about?
He had a thing for his own sister.
Bro.
I just didn't think it just didn't look like brotherly sisterly love.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, didn't feel that way at all. No.
Come on, bro. All right.
Yo, what's it gonna go?
I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this pump, dump. I'm ready. Y'all ready?
This is Sparta!
All right, I'll be right back. See, Eddie, 1 cup of coffee is all you need, bro. You don't need 18 cups of coffee. That's why your ass is so high strung.
No, I need another one. I want my second. No, I finished my second one. I need a third one. Okay, let's do this. Too many lines on my damn chart. And this is the cues. Tesla back up. Oh, look at that. It's bouncing right off the 9 EMA on the 3 minute. On the 2 minute, it's right on the right 3, 5. I need my cross.
Patience,
When the,
brother.
when the
Patience.
green line cross over the yellow line. Okay.
Yeah, if I was looking at the daily resistance, I wouldn't be so confirmed on this dumping from here. I don't know if it's going to dump, West. That's why I'm hedged in. That's why I'm hedged in, and I'm perfectly hedged in. They're the 314 call versus the 302 put. Because of where I'm at on my dollar cost average, I'm perfectly hedged. So that's what I'm looking at, and huge rising wedge pattern too. Yeah, it doesn't matter to me which way it goes now after 10 a.m. It doesn't matter. Either way, I'm going to finish the day in profit
Be back.
because of the hedge. Unless this market goes absolutely flat across the board the rest of the day. Nope. 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 Now, what's going to happen with new home sales? Well, didn't they say don't hold me to this, but didn't they say interest rates were coming down, home sales were going up? Let's see, guys. Also remember we are at the last week of the month and nearing end of week. Yeah, March Madness. So that means we will need to keep ourselves zoomed out 100%. When I draw my supply demand zones, they're on the 30-minute time frame based over the last 2-3 weeks, and then I'll go into a daily to confirm. So I agree with you. I do zoom out a lot. I'm a big fan of the 30 and the 1 day when setting up my supply demand zone areas. Uh, bro, Wes is on. He's on his game. He's on his game. And the other thing too is lead up into May. But bro, if you depending on who you watch, where you get your news and your information from, and listen, I don't do nothing on Market Watch. I think they're the biggest shows in the business. Yesterday, I had a client I had to pick up yesterday morning. That's why I was late to the party. I listened across the board, bro. I listened to CNN Business. I listened to Fox Business. I listened to CNBC Business. I listened to Bloomberg Business. And if you just take 30 minutes out of your day, Wes, Richie, Carlos, Patty, if you take 30 minutes out of your day in the morning from 9:30 to 10 a.m. and listen to all four of these stations, you will see the bias, how heavy their bias is, and how they're peddling whatever the Fed and the hedge funds are telling them. It's almost to a point where you're like, you know what? Screw it. Screw it. I'm not listening to none of them some bitches anymore. I'm just going to live on technical analysis. And if you can find a way to hedge yourself in up and down, cut your losses, take your profits, you'll always win. That's the hardest thing to do, though, is to find the perfect hedge. So, all right, 10:01. How's the market reacting here?
I'm setting up my options for my SPY. I'm waiting for it to just go, pull back, and make my trade.
Let's see. QQQ's higher day right here.
It's up. I just don't like what it's doing. You know what it's
All right,
doing?
new home.
Nothing.
Can I talk now?
Wait, hold on.
I gotta hold on. Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Now you can go.
You sure?
Yeah, you asked me for permission. So go for it.
US U.S. pending home sales rose for a third straight month in February. So home sales are up, y'all. Home sales are up. So will the market see a bounce here? That's the question. Looking at the dollar steady, VIX is steady. Now the only other news going on in the world. Let's see. Thanks, Vin. Yeah, after 2 years of straight losing and learning, I finally came to understand a little of the technicals. Bro, technicals are everything. They tell the story, homie. And you take the catalyst from the news and you throw that in with the technicals, and then you kind of make your decision from there. So that's how I look at it. Carlos is like, which stations? So CNN Business, Fox Business, Bloomberg Radio, CNBC. There was another one there. There's Fox, CNN, Bloomberg, CNBC. You look at these things, you know, you listen to all of those stations, bro, and you're like, the hell are these dudes talking about? Oh my god! I tell you, I'm gonna shut my phone off in a minute because
Get
like
up.
nobody respects, bro. There's no
It
respect.
always does it at this time, but you still keep it on.
You're thinking of 190. I haven't looked. Fuck, man. Like people just. All right, Q's pushing high a day here. So let's see what happens. But the contracts, man, contracts took a hit. I need the remember I'm hunting 312 on the contracts. It's a new high a day. Can it break above and hold that? And we move our high a day up. So the George Soros media conglomerate stay. Yeah, bro. Yeah, 100%, bro, 100%.
Big boo boo here. Good thing I checked. Almost made a big boo boo. I knew something was wrong. All right, I'm in my SPY. My contracts are SPY. All right, SPY. I'm waiting for it to choose a direction here. It's really breaking down. I guess I should have held on, but not. Oh, and here comes a SPY breaking down too. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I know my car insurance is about to expire.
Bro, get your car insurance right, dog.
But they haven't sent me the new well, it's just Uber and Lyft keep sending me the notification, but I haven't gotten it. It doesn't expire until the 18th.
Gotcha. Yeah, the whole market just rolled. Oh, that's because the some bitch is on a damn. Here we go again with this idiot on they're grilling him in Congress.
Well, my all I know is that my VMA on TraderView looks so much different. My VWAP, I mean, my VWAP looks so much different. So I think I might make my trade depending on what it does on the TraderView.
Let Eddie, let the setup come to you.
Setup is not coming to me on a Webull.
So then you sit
TraderView, I have to look at.
Well, I keep telling you to
Webull.
use TraderView, bro. I keep telling you to use TraderView. And you make your trades on Webull and you do your charting on TraderView. All right, so Tesla broke down below that downtrend that Wes was talking about earlier.
Uh-huh.
Let's see what happens there. That's the other big thing that's going on, bro. Is like the Fed is looking out for the too big to fail banks, and they have finally said the hell with the smaller banks. They have said the hell with the smaller banks. They told the smaller banks, fuck off. We don't care anymore about you guys. They're going to consolidate. And this goes into the whole conspiracy theory and rumors about is the central bank digital currency. They got to break in order to get that great reset. They got to break all the smaller banks. They got to break them. And those smaller banks got to get sucked up by the bigger banks. And then once you get consolidated into the big banks only, the 4, 5, 6 major banks, it'll be a lot easier to switch our money over to digital currency, which is so bullshit. It's happening in front of us. Nobody gives a shit. Or they feel like they can't do nothing. But that's not true. Take a look at France. You know, France is in the midst of another revolution, right?
Yeah, I was watching that. Actually, they're not playing it that much on the news here.
Of course not. They don't want you to see. As Carlos said, it's the George Soros media conglomerate. Everybody forgets how George Soros, the Nazi, made his money, bro. He made his money by shorting the British pound. He made his money in the 70s by shorting the British currency. And when it collapsed, he got paid. And that's what I mean about being a killer. You can't have no feelings towards nobody. You got to do your thing. You got to get your money, get in, get out. That book I was reading, bro. That book I was reading. You got to be a killer. Not as in physically hurting somebody. But you got to be a hawk. You got to be a hawk. You got to rob the nest and not worry about the siblings.
Come on, Vinny. Are you frozen? Oh, I think Vinny's computer just shut down again. Oh yeah, he is definitely frozen. Frozen. Look at that. Look at that. Elsa, get the hell out, Elsa.
Get yours and get out. That's it. That's true.
Oh, Vinios, you keep coming in and out. Are you there? Yeah, so am I. So am I, Wes. Let me see if you can read that. Yep, lost him. There you go. He's gone. We lost him. He'll be back. He'll be back. By the way, I'm looking. Let me see. So I have my options set up. So it is about a $100. Well, right now it's $8. Depending on where it goes, once it goes, it's going to be $100 investment, and then take out 10, 20, 30%. Hopefully more. But I just gotta sit and wait. I gotta sit and wait for something to happen here. Oh, this is Tesla. It's just my green, my yellow line. My VWAP right here is just not lining up. Looks totally different on the on my trader view. Totally different. But according to my MACD, it looks like it's gonna break down. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I just needed to break up or down, then do the pullback, and that's when I make my purchase. I'm so nervous. Look, my hands are sweaty. My hands are really sweaty. I don't know why. Yeah, and by the way, this George Soros thing, everybody thought that it was just some conspiracy theories, and now it's actually not. He'll be back, I think. He's just got to shut it down, turn it back on. I think he just sent me a message. Where is he? There he is. I think I just heard him.
Jesus Christ. See, that's why I say you got to be careful what you say on these damn things, bro.
Just remember to edit this part out when the computer shut down for your son.
My son already knows I am. He knows what I am. My son's seen it. He's seen his daddy go snap crazy.
Okay, here we go. So it's gonna be breaking down. Dude, so nervous. And so if it does break down,
that raggedy ass Maxine Waters, she's so ignorant, bro.
she's still around. I thought she like quit.
Dude, she should be done. But they are so ignorant. Her, Elizabeth Warren, AOC, you listen to these women and they can't if somebody knows what they're talking about, they're going to be looking at you in the eye. They're not going to be reading off a damn script. That's like people on and see, now why the hell does she got to bring race into the banking system?
Isn't that what broke the bank SVB in the first place?
Oh my god, dude!
By the way,
race shit.
I gotta show you something after the live. I just found it.
Jesus Christ! And I'm so fucking sick of it.
You have got to see this now. What's it called? I forget. You know what? I'll tell you after, because this has something to do with kind of like with SVB. Kind of like, I don't know. It feels like it's something like they did where they probably just gave even to people. Even though,
listen, let me tell you why they saved this. Listen, let me tell you why they saved SVB. Why they saved that bank? You want to know why they saved that bank? Because there were a total of 5 accounts. SVB Bank, 5 accounts. Their deposits totaled $13.5 billion. So if that bank goes down, those 5 accounts went down. They lose $13.5 billion with a B dollars.
Was Etsy one of them?
No, Gavin Newsom was though.
Oh.
So when you want to ask why they bothered to save that bank, that's why. Because most of everybody else in that bank, 90% of that bank, they would have been covered by FDIC to begin with.
Yeah, but we found out that even the FDIC, even the secured by FDIC, it's not really secured.
Not for 5 accounts. That's $13.5 billion. But if you had your account in there with $10,000, $20,000, $40,000, you would have been covered. You were fine. The peasants were fine. It was the kings that were going to get smashed. I get so freaking pissed off with that shit. I get so pissed off with it, dude. People in this country got to understand something. You know why they manipulate the market so much? Do you know why it's so hard to trade options? You know why the market maker, remember how I talked to you about imposing maximum pain?
Uh-huh.
Do you know why? Do you know why Wall Street hates day traders? Because day traders individually can't move the market. The
Nope.
day traders as a collective can move the market. When
Like they did with
AMC and
AMC.
with AMC and GME, the meme stocks were ripping. When Bitcoin was ripping, the hedge funds couldn't keep robbing the people, the peasants. What we're
So what
doing now,
happens?
a
They
whole
make the
lot.
move and we profit out of it.
Well, look, here's the bottom line. What we're doing now, the hedge funds can't profit off unless they learn how to manipulate the market. And unfortunately, most people get into options. They trade options, right? And that's why they call it the casino. And the casino always wins. But you have to get so locked in on what you're doing, that you just make really, really good decisions. When you ask why our mentor doesn't like day traders, why he calls it gambling, because he's a 40-year Wall Street veteran. They do things different. And I'm not saying him specific. I'm saying those folks do things different. It will always be them against us. They don't want us in their pot. They don't want us digging in their mud. Because you turn over enough mud, you're going to find the truth.
Yeah, I know. And they can't do it anyway because we just jump in for the ride.
Bro,
That's it.
bro.
This is AMC.
By the way, Tesla's on the low. Tesla's getting ready to try to set a new low today. Oh man. And the Qs are just steadying in. See, this is probably what I did. Remember how I told you in the beginning, never fall in love with a stock?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, well, I think that's where my biggest issue was this week. Nobody likes losing, but oh Jesus fucking Christ.
Yeah,
Scott.
no. Imagine if I would have stated my put option here in Tesla. It would have been a nice move. But I was too busy looking at SPY to
Yeah.
do my move. And I missed SPY. I get Tesla twice.
Today
Well,
Tesla would have
pull
been
back.
to
Yep,
start
would
the
have been
day,
the trade.
Tesla would have absolutely have been the play. You could have caught the opening range and then you could have caught it right back down again.
The pullback right here on the 2 minute, 3 minute. Was the 1 minute more clear? Yeah, I could say that. Pull right back to the yeah.
Well, I'm looking at the Qs on the 5 minutes, so
Totally missed
it's
that
just
one.
meandering. Everything's just meandering. I mean, it's the Qs are in the range I thought they would be in. And it did break above it. Got to 311.83. Actually, no, we broke 312. Did we do 312 today? 311.94 is the high of the day. Remember, I was calling for the Qs at 12 to break 12 today.
Amazon is doing so. Yeah. Wow. Just if you look at it, I mean, I'm looking at the SPY. I looked at Amazon. I looked at the hold on. QQQs still going sideways.
Wes is like, calm down, Vin. Bro, I get fired up, Hoss. I get fired up over the garbage, man. The garbage that they
Apple.
constantly feed us. I get tired of that shit.
By the way, anybody?
No, go ahead.
Oh, I was just gonna say, anybody that's watching that, because I had a couple that keep reaching out to me about trading and stuff, and he's like, "Dude, I'm scared." I was like, "Dude, don't be scared. Just like trade paper money." But this is usually what I look for. I'm sorry. This is exactly what I look for. So, news came out, right? I look for it to break into a direction, all right, and then it's gonna pull back. And it's gonna. I want to buy somewhere in between the candles that start pulling back. So like, it'll bottom out and it'll start next candle. It's just going to do this sideways and then sideways. And then I look for my entry because odds are is that it's going to use this 9 EMA right here. Okay. Kind of like a ceiling. And then it's just going to bounce lower. And then once it gets past this point right here, is when I start thinking about selling. And I will wait about the second candle after it passes that point. And that's when I sell because usually I get this pullback back to the 9 EMA and you can actually do it again. But this is the first pullback. This is the second pullback. And now this is going to be the third pullback. So third pullbacks are usually very, very questionable by me. Totally missed that. Totally missed that. It looks like I'm not going to be making a trade today. See? And if I pull the SPY up, exactly what I'm going to be waiting for. I want to do a move. Up, down, I don't care. I don't care. I just wait for it to go up or down. Then it's going to pull back to my green line. And then that's when I go ahead and make my purchase. And I'm playing the odds that it's going to go in the direction that I'm choosing. Take 10, 20, 30%, and then I'm out. I forgot who that was asking me on my YouTube channel. I was like, dude, just pivot trade, pivot trade.
You know, they say they don't want to follow old white people, but that's all you got telling you what to do is old white people.
I mean, did I explain it right?
I don't. What did you explain?
Did I explain it right?
Did you explain what right?
When I was talking about the move.
That's the way you look at it. Then,
yeah.
yeah, that's the way you look at it. There's nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm listening to the bank in my one ear, listening to these idiots in Congress, just absolutely screwing us up left and right, bro.
I'm just gonna get a blow up doll, put it under my table, call it Monica Lewinsky while I trade.
Monica Lewinsky. Nah, man, I got fired up. I'm trying to calm down. I started boiling over a little bit there. Because I get like, it's. I swear at 9:30, I'm going to put my freaking phone on airplane mode till I'm done trading. That's another part of it. Limiting your distractions. And it's not, I got like 12 text messages in there. Right. And I don't have, one of them I don't have a problem with, but the rest of them is kind of like, listen, this is where I'm focused at. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. This happens every single day. And then people get pissed off at you because you don't answer them fast enough. Tesla's rolling. Everything is rolling right now. Everything.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, this is the move that I've been waiting for.
And that's because of these jackasses on Capitol Hill right now.
This is the move that I've been waiting for.
To the downside?
No, just a move. Just I need like to choose a damn direction.
Well, it just retraced to opening levels.
So I just need
Tesla's
a move.
really dumped. Nvidia's down. SPY is down. Everything went red. Dollar's coming up. VIX is starting to move up.
Come on, Reggie. Come on. Oh man. 3 minute.
Everything is a tease right now, bro.
Yeah. Like it looks like it's gonna break. I wonder how many people like get in when they think it was gonna go. See, I like when it just breaks and just goes down, and then it pulls back. So it's like so readable. Hey Wes, do you do what I do, Wes? When you don't watch the news, you just know that there's news going on, and you just want to know what the market does after the news. I mean, there's a lot of layoffs going on again.
Yeah, but layoffs usually have a good effect on the market,
You know,
on a stock. It doesn't really have a negative effect on the market.
yeah. So there's how solar roofs are being Bloomberg green. There was a company that sells these solar panels, which is the shape of the Tesla at the top, and it hooks up to the racks. But it's the same shape as the window on the top of the Tesla, and you can't use it to charge the damn car. It's not powerful enough. I was trying to do something with these solar panels in the cars. I was like, well, I just say just come up with a unlimited battery, okay, and just get it done and over with.
All
There
right.
are
So
some people that have actually created that. Could this be it? See, I hear Vinny's voice in my head. You see how it's wicking? You see how it's wicking? Okay, like right under the line. See how it's wicking? What's that telling you? Rockets in which direction? Rockets in which direction?
yeah, but you gotta put that in with volume too, though. Don't forget volume.
I am technically not getting across
Wes
my
says
green
Tesla
light.
looks so beautiful. It does, right? It just flopped down into another zone.
Ooh, what's going on?
A lot of gaps to fill too from the aftermarket to the pre-market. Lot of gaps to fill.
Oh, oh, what's the name of that Spotify music that does not give you get you strikes?
Oh, I don't know. I gotta open up that program and everything else, dude.
God damn it.
I'd have to open up everything there. Yeah.
Yeah, Tesla. Let me put Tesla
Putting
up.
up sell orders in here left and right.
Man, look at that. It's doing it again. Doing it again.
See if we're gonna bounce off this opening level. Just want to see if we're gonna bounce off this opening level here.
Totally missed that.
See if this is a small pullback and then we fire back up again or not. Or are we going to break this level and go to the downside?
Well, let's see.
The time is not on our side.
damn thing can't make up its damn mind. And I got nothing. Let me see. Amazon. I'll see. Okay, Amazon broke down. Looks like it's pulling up to the EMA.
See if I can save a little bit of face on that one. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get there.
Apple, I do not
Just
like
cut
it. And
contracts loose and call it a day.
Nvidia, yep, Nvidia did the same thing too. Now it's doing the pullback. Nvidia, ooh.
You got your chart up, right? Okay.
Yep, I got Nvidia up. See, Nvidia kind of broke down. I was doing the pullback to the 9 EMA, but the lines are just too close together.
This thing's gonna flush. I know it's gonna flush. It's gonna flush. Let's take 2 out of this. Take my loss on this one. Sell 2 out of there. Get out of that. Patience, 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 patience.
I'm just gonna try the pullback here on Nvidia really quick. This is definitely gonna be my paper trading account. Where's and what I want to do is watch it pop right here, this low right here of 267.27. What candle am I in? I'm on the 3 minute. I'm on the 2 minute.
All right, starting to flush a little bit now. Breaking down. Qs are coming in too low a days. Big time move. And there goes AMC. AMC finally just broke below 5. So let's see what these contracts want to do.
What is this?
Everything's just kind of in a holding pattern. That's where we're at, buddy.
Nvidia just did that bounce off the EMA, kind of like I wanted it. And here comes my second candle.
Fuck is this chart doing? Jesus Christ.
One minute left.
AMC's flushing. Come on, baby, flush.
Still
Everything
getting
is flushing, which is good. Good for me.
it. Ooh, wait. Yep, everything is coming down. It's going down. Now I'm gonna go back into my SPY because I'm ready to go. Ready to go.
Big flushes here. Wow, look at these candles. Big flushes. What the hell just happened?
Sweet. Now I just need my pullback.
Oh, that's why they're talking about SVB Bank in Congress right now.
What's today's date? The 20. This is the 29th. 29th. Yeah, there's no news after that. Okay. It's just justifying.
Chips are leading down. Tesla's coming down. Nvidia, big flush on Nvidia this morning.
I saw that.
Triple Qs on the fib retrace. Just broke below 61.8. AMC is down 5%. Need
I
AMC
just
down more than that.
I am just waiting for that pullback. That's all I need.
I don't know how much more of a pullback you want.
All right, there we go. I am actually in. I'm in a put option right now. Cost me about $99, $100. I gotta keep a really close eye on it.
Like I said, bro, there's a big gap up this morning. Banks are getting hammered right now.
There is this 399 level that I have here, or 400 psychological. $399. Where is it? There it is. I mean, not psychological. Where was this from? Oh, a couple of days ago. High of 398.31. 398.91. Come on, Reggie, come on. Oh, that candle is so big. God damn it. I am down, where am I? 5%. Where's my 90? See, everybody's so quiet.
Eddie, gotta try to take a swim just for the charts. The candles are
Let
better.
me see, Monday Foolishness. Yeah, I do have Think a Swim. Yeah, I know that the chart is better. It's been a long time since I used Think a Swim, so I kind of just forgot how to use it. I just need to get back in it again. Do a couple of trades on it and mess around with it, get back into my game with Think a Swim. But that used to be my main one. It is just that their filling was like, it was horrible. Getting the orders filled with them it was just horrible. It would take like seconds. It would take seconds. All right, here we go. See, I'm stop. It says also. So my option is 101. That's how much it cost me, $1.01, and I have my stop down at 86. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. Yes. There you go. Thank you. Okay, automatic. I saw my option. It took too long, by the way. It took too long to sell. Took too long.
Well, it's paper trading, so remember it catches up.
No. Well, it was my live paper trading.
Oh, gotcha.
Yep. And,
Well,
book
then that
once,
was
sold the
because the
bid.
price wasn't there. But then that means the price wasn't where you were trying to sell at. Because you're if you're at the right price that the price is at, it'll fill automatically.
But totally missed it. Well, I don't know if it's gonna go down lower. I just don't like how the candle just keeps fluctuating right here at this line that I have right here of 399, 398. But anyway, it's just that I got my 10%, and then it went up to like 13 or whatever, but it took like 4 seconds for it to just fill, and then it pulled back and it sold it lower. So this means that I could, if I wanted to, Just gonna take my profits and just leave it. Look at right at the 200.
You hear my phone going off over here?
Nope, I don't hear the. I don't hear it. Man. I'm opening my Thinkorswim. I'm gonna see if
Go for it, buddy. I don't use Thinkorswim. It lags way too much for me. That's where I keep all my long-term holds in Thinkorswim. I don't know what problems you're having over there. I don't get it.
with what? Oh no, he's just saying that the charting is better with Thinkorswim, which I agree.
No
I like
charting
using
is
their
better
app.
than- No charting is better than TradingView. Well, you know what? For me, I'm not going to say your guy's wrong. Your guy's probably right. For him, it's what each individual works. It's what works for each individual. So I withdraw that comment. I just don't like Thinkorswim. It lags too much, and you got to do too much work, too many clicks to pull a line or any of that. I don't care for it. But for that gentleman, it might be perfect. So no disrespect, man.
Oh, I do like it for chart a lot clearer and I used to use it that way before too, but on my phone.
Regional banks are starting to go down. All the financial banks yesterday they given back about 40% of their gains already today, which is about right.
Visualize alerts trade. No. See, I'm going back and forth in my damn charts. Charts, market watch, analyze. Charts. Let's do flexible charts.
What's today? Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Wednesday.
I know, I like it, but it's been a while since I used it. It's been a real while since I used it.
Do your thing, Hoss. Do your thing, homie.
Let me see. This is my son's account. Oh. So on my son's account, I have everything on dividends. Everything on dividends.
That's the right way to do it, bro.
So no matter what happens, whether the market goes up or down, the money still gets quarterly, gets deposited to his account.
And you just roll it. That's what Richie does a lot of. Richie will go ahead and he rolls all his dividends. I roll my dividends on NVIDIA.
So this is what I'm doing for him. My daughter is the same way, but she was a very small account. So I just basically bought a whole bunch of Tesla stocks. And then once the Tesla starts turning around, then I'll liquidate some and then spread that out. Yeah, Joseph, if you ever watch this video in the future, yeah, Daddy's putting money away for you. When you turn 21, ooh, you
All
might
right, I'll
like
be
what
right
you
back.
see. You might like what you see. Let me see what we got here. La 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 la. Watch list. Current account. Hold on. I want to see positions. All account positions. Yep. And everything in his account is up except for a few, which are like down like 44 cents. Oh, this is P&L for the day. From the open. Oh wow, okay. All right, I'm just looking at my I'm just looking at the account and everything seems to be up in his account. Oh, and the market has come down this much. Holy, it can't be up. No, this can't be it. Something is wrong here. Something is very, very wrong. Oh, here we go. Okay, this one looks so much better. All right, yeah, so he's technically down. Technically down on his investments, on his dividend investments, but positive on his deposits. It's some good stuff. Yep, lag off. Could this be another leg down? Could this be another leg down? I think I did my leg. I think I did my leg. Consolidated, came back up. Looks like it's bottoming out right here. And it could be turning around, so I'm gonna hold on. I'm not gonna do anything. By the way, if you're talking, I don't hear nothing.
It's because I had the mic off.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that reminds me real quick. I got to turn the mic back off for a minute.
He gets gas. Yep, so I made my money right here. Wait, hold on. Yep. I made my money on this one. Actually, I sold. I got in over here. And then I sold when it just did this. I just didn't like how this candle was doing this. I should have held on, right? But anyway, I'm in, I'm out. Took my profit and I'm gone. I'm not coming back again. Losing it is easy. Winning is the hard part. So I had a 10% loss. I almost had a 10% win, but then it took too long to sell my option and I lost that 10% and it went down to like a 3 or 4% or something like that. Ooh, it's going again. Look at that. Another leg. Down. Hold on. Maybe the 3-minute looks so much better. What about the 5? No. I just gotta grow my account again because I have it at 189. So I'm really, really down. Really down. But what I could do is actually, what's Tesla doing? Oh, does it come back up? Maybe, just maybe, I'll take the trade with Tesla right here on its way back up. If I do my green line over my yellow line. Watch list. But that is it. Vinny, it's 11 o'clock. What you want to do? My move happened. Actually, the move was on Tesla. It should have, but I played it on the on SPY. I'm done for today. In and out. It was right here. Boof, doof. See that pullback? Pulled back to the 90 EMA and it just came down.
All right, I'm back. I had to call my mechanic. I got to get Kitty in. Kitty needs motor mounts and she needs valve cover gaskets done before I send her into the body shop because the paint is completely chewed up on it.
Well, last time I saw it all shined up, it didn't look like anything was wrong with it.
Yeah, well, it's getting pretty rough there.
Well, what I was trying to say is that it's 11 moved happened. Yep. So I need to be a little bit more excited when I place my trades.
You got to be a little more excited. What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm not showing that much enthusiasm. What was I gonna do?
That's not a bad thing. People are interested in strategies, and that's what when they come on to these types of channels, that's what they're looking for.
Yeah, that's what I waited for. I mean, trading the Tesla one was a perfect example.
But trading's not exciting. They make it seem exciting.
Tesla's like a perfect example. Came down, it did the pullback, and it went down again, and it did the pullback, and it went down again. Ooh. If you missed the first pullback, you could have got the second one, and the second one was better. Second one was better. All right, it's 11.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the Dom for the rest of the day, unless I'm paper trading, but not the live paper trading. So, and by the way, I had another PI come over and he dropped his card off.
Another one? A second one?
Yep.
Why?
I don't know what the hell they want. They gotta leave me alone about this. They gotta leave me alone about this. Truly not interested.
All right, buddy. We can clip it. It's boring today.
Oh wait, hold on.
It's a day I should have sat on my damn hands again.
This is wait.
But
Hold on, let me look up Daniel Perry.
you don't need to put that out on the internet, bro.
What?
You don't need to put all that info out on the internet.
What are you talking about?
What you're about to do.
Oh no, I'm not putting it on the internet. I'm just looking at who this person is. But okay, I know who he was. Yeah, I was nowhere near where the incident happened. So
Just remember, these guys are not your friend, bro.
nope, I know that.
These guys are not your friend.
They're just looking to get paid,
That's it.
whether guilty or not. That's what they look for. They just get paid. Anyway, let's cut the feed. We're done. I mean, I'm done. I don't know about you.
Yep, I'm done.
All right, I'll see you guys. We'll do it again tomorrow, which is Thursday.
Sounds like a winner. All right, y'all. Peace out.
Peace.